This is amazing. You need to make this. I recommend making this. It's great. Hello, my friends. Today's recipe is something that I've never done before. Now we need a 1/4 cup of softened butter. Now for 2½ cups of flour, that's going to be 354 grams. 1 envelope of rapid rise yeast. I'm going to use some of this New Glare Spotted Cow in there. Tuscan Torch, which is a hot honey, OMTAE. I'll put it down. This stuff is excellent. It gives a good zing to it. I highly recommend using a hot honey in this. We're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 egg for an egg wash. We'll put our dough ball right in to spray a little just over the top. Preheat my oven, but stop it when it hits 100 degrees in the oven and let it just sit for the hour. Let's see how well it did. Looky there. Dough ball out of it. That's about half. 1, 2, 3. Roll it out a little. 1, 2, 3. We're going to take our big baking sheet and we're going to cover it in parchment paper. And we're going to cover and pop it back in the oven to rise. 20, maybe 25 minutes. Now an egg wash is pretty easy. What you need is a bowl, an egg. We're going to use a splash of water. Put the water in the bowl and we're going to crack the egg. Just mix it together. Proving is done and look at those. They look gorgeous. Do our egg wash now. We're just going to take our brush across the top. This is also a good time if you want to sprinkle it with salt or sesame seeds. And once you preheat the oven to 400 degrees, they slide in and they're going to be in there for 12 to 15 minutes. What you're looking for is a nice golden brown on top. And the buns are done. Most of them actually look pretty good. Ooh. Cooling rack. I can't wait for the burgers to taste this bread. I really want to taste it now and see how it is. I'm going to use the Country Crock plant butter spread. I love this. It tastes more like, excuse me. It tastes more like butter than actual butter. It's great. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to try it without the butter. And then with the butter. This is amazing. You need to make this. I recommend making this. It's great. This is an excellent recipe. I'm definitely going to play with this one again. Alright. Cheers.